Hey everyone, welcome to ECS Too Much. My name is Alex, and for this video I'm going to be talking about the severe thunderstorms that are playing on radar right now. That I'm going to talk about them that occurred earlier on this morning, this afternoon, and in the evening. I'm also going to give a bit of a thunderstorm forecast for the next 3 or 4 days. Also going to talk about a very massive bushfire that's raging to the north of Perth, just to the south of Jurien Bay. It's been burning for about 2 days now, and it's still on emergency level. And it's really burning hard and fast there, and I'm gonna talk about that as well. I have not been uploading any videos. I've been sick, and I also didn't feel like uploading. I got busy with my family and all that stuff, so I'm very sorry, and I hope you didn't get mad or anything. But anyway, I'm gonna start uploading more frequently now. So as you can see, I'm playing on radar. Earlier today at about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we had some pretty strong thunderstorms move through. We had some specific thunderstorm cells move through the Melbourne area at about 3 o'clock, 3 and 4 p.m. So as you can see, we had some pretty strong thunderstorms develop in the Melbourne area, and it brings some pretty good rain, some large hailstones. In fact, I'm pretty sure in some areas they got giant hailstones, maybe, and also very strong wind gusts, which occurred in the Melbourne area. Victoria mainly. Also, New South Wales got some good thunderstorms that occurred later on, earlier today, that developed quite rapidly, especially into the north of New South Wales, where there were some pretty strong thunderstorms that developed, and they're occurring right now, but nothing too crazy really happened. Queensland, there was a bit of a severe thunderstorm outbreak as well. Not too severe that I expected, but there were some pretty good cells that developed in the Mount Isa area, Gregory area. There were some good cells. But nothing too crazy really, and same thing with the Northern Territory and Western Australia. Nothing exciting really, just a couple of showers and thunderstorms that happened. Now let's look a bit of a forecast for tomorrow and the next few days. You can see nothing exciting for Queensland. On the start, you can see just rain showers. On Thursday, we could see just some light thunderstorms and rain showers into the south central Queensland near Charleville, and into the west near Mount Isa. We could see a little bit of a thunderstorm outbreak, but nothing too severe expected on that day. On Friday, the same story, some showers and thunderstorms in the Mount Isa area, south central Queensland near Charleville. Showers and rain at times is expected on that day, but again, nothing too crazy. Friday night, we could see a thunderstorm outbreak, potentially severe thunderstorm outbreak, especially in the Charters Towers area. We could see a line of thunderstorms develop from about Karamba down to Charters Towers. We could see a severe thunderstorm outbreak occur Friday night and into Saturday morning. Now, as you can see, later on Saturday, we're going to see more thunderstorms develop. Basically, the entire week, you'll be seeing storms, rain showers, just about every single day. If you live in the Cairns, okay, guys, sorry, that was my little sister. Anyway, if you live in the Cairns, just to the north of Mackay, along the coast, you'll be seeing storms and showers most of the days throughout the week. So if you're looking forward for showers and rain, you'll be pretty excited for that, as the monsoon trough keeps lowering, keeps deepening into close over here. So that's very exciting news for some. As we could see some decent rain accumulations and thunderstorms develop as well. Now, looking to New South Wales, we could see more thunderstorm outbreaks. We're going to see a lot of rain event. We're going to see a rain event develop on Saturday, but for now, nothing too crazy. We could see a bit of a thunderstorm outbreak tomorrow on Thursday. No severe storms are expected. A couple severe storms are possible through Sydney, the Hunter area, and into the Upper Hunter. We could see some possible severe storms, but nothing crazy expected. And then on Friday, same thing, just rain showers and potentially severe thunderstorms are possible in this general area I'm outlining with the cursor. But nothing crazy. Again, it's just going to be some rain showers and potential thunderstorms. It's on Saturday, however, we're going to see a bit of a rain event develop in the Dubbo sort of parks area, we could see some very heavy falls develop and happen. So a bit of a rain event that day. Unfortunately, to the east of Tamworth, not much rainfall is expected, but some light showers are still possible. Tamworth itself could get some really decent rain accumulations. Then tracking into Sunday, we could see a bit of a severe thunderstorm outbreak in northeast New South Wales and southeast Queensland. This would be actually the first time they would have a severe thunderstorm outbreak in a very long time. This is like a long time. I'm getting excited for this because I love looking at the detailed severe thunderstorm warnings for the Brisbane area, but you never know when decent supercell thunderstorm develops, like what happened a month ago. So yeah, again, just showers and thunderstorms. Gladstone might actually, oops, wrong map. Gladstone and Agnes Water might actually receive some decent showers, but nothing too crazy expected, nothing too significant as well. Monday, just showers and patchy thunderstorms. And Tuesday, patchy thunderstorms and showers. Same thing to Wednesday and Thursday. Basically throughout the week, just little showers and thunderstorms, and that's it. Nothing crazy at all. Rain accumulations are going to be pretty good in some areas, up to 100 millimeters in some spots just to the southwest of Brisbane. We could see some areas into the Ipswich sort of area, Boonah. We could see some good rainfall totals up to 100 millimeters, and that's going to be mainly from the thunderstorms that we'll possibly see develop. Now, as we move into New South Wales, those heavy rainfall accumulations will really pipe up on those days, mostly through Saturday. If I just move this over, a very croaky thing. If I move this on Saturday, we're going to see a majority of that rainfall fall on Saturday and Sunday. As you can see in some areas, up to 100 millimeters in just 48 hours. So it's going to be a pretty wet this week, and next week you can see up to 100, even 120 millimeters in some areas, and even up to 150, more so in the just the southeast Cobra area, and basically this whole area I'm outlining is going to see a fair bit of rain, and that's some pretty welcoming rainfall. And what's driving this is a lot of humidity for this storm, for this as well. So there's going to be a lot of humidity for thunderstorms and rain showers to develop. Now I just want to just talk about that potential that massive fire that's been burning for days now. This Jurien Bay area, as you can see, look on the satellite. Nothing really was going on. Midday was the day where it was very active. It's a very big fire burning south to the south of Jurien Bay. That it's on emergency level right now. Yesterday it was emergency warning. This morning it was downgraded to watch and act, but now I believe it's back to emergency warning. I haven't actually checked. But here's a heads up: if you live if you live in between Wedge Island in Grey or Curverant, however you say that name. If you live in this general area, I'm outlining the cursor. I recommend leaving right now and actually going to Jurien Bay, or if you can, go to areas that are more so north to be safe, because the fire is nearing Jurien Bay very quickly right now, and the advice that was down here is now an emergency warning. Now there's an advice down here. So if you're traveling further north, nothing there, just there's another bushfire burning. It's a small incident, no big deal of that. Just be cautious, that's it, if you're traveling up there, going up there to safety. But yeah, this fire is most likely going to burn for another few days. It has already burnt 130,000 hectares of land, bushland, which is a lot, guys. I'm not 100% sure if any properties were lost. I bet you there were some, and I already know 2 firefighters were injured in this blaze. And just to finish this video off, let's just talk about the tropical low 01U that has already developed near the Cocos Killing Islands, just to the west of West Island, which has the potential of becoming a tropical cyclone, but I don't think it will. I really doubt it will. At the moment, the wind speeds are up to 60 kilometers an hour, which aren't very strong, but they're pretty gusty, I can tell you. Just normal strong winds for now. As we move into tomorrow, there is the chance of it becoming Category 1, reaching up to 70 km/h winds in some spots, mainly to the south of the system. Gale force winds are expected from tomorrow into Friday and into early Saturday. There is a chance of strengthening as wind gusts do peak at about 75 to 80 km/h gusts in the southern flank of this potential tropical low, which could become a cyclone, a Category 1, a weak tropical cyclone by Friday midday. But after Friday, it's going to weaken because the conditions, the environment it's going to be in isn't going to be very favorable, as the sea temperatures here isn't as warm as what it is up there near West Island. So this system will gradually weaken off and just move to the west. No impact no impact at all to the Western Australian coast. Same thing to West Island. They will see showers and thunderstorms and potentially strong wind gusts, but I don't think they're going to notice that there's a tropical cyclone developing in their area. But I believe this is going to be the first cyclone that will develop in the Australian area of responsibility 2024-2025. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was useful. Recapping on those storms, talking about that massive bushfire burning in North Perth, and just a bit of a weather forecast. There's going to be a lot of rain and showery thunderstorms in this general area of Australia over the next few days. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. That would really help, and I'd really appreciate that. And thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment, and hopefully you're going to be okay. If you do live in this area where the fire is burning, hopefully you're going to be okay. Good luck to you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.